Really into computers, huh?
Yeah. Do you want to hear it talk?
Yeah.
Shall we play a game?
How about global thermonuclear war?
Wouldn't you prefer a good game of chess?
Later, let's play global thermonuclear war.
Fine.
This is the program that gives your business a technological edge in the 21st century. It's The Edge of the Web with your host, Aaron Sparks.
You're here with Edge of the Web, radio from Site Strategics, talking about search engine optimization for your business's website. You know what? We're not regularly actually marketing businesses for global thermonuclear war. Global thermonuclear war, but we are actually doing a lot of research on key phrases and terms to actually be competitive in our company or our client's marketplace. You got to know where to actually play that game, right? Mm-hmm. So we want to get into that real quick, but we did want to talk about Site Strategic Services real quick. John, give us a rundown of the different services that we actually provide.
Site Strategics. The big global is we're a search engine optimization company, but we do offer social media management, link building, on-site SEO, search engine marketing, website development, e-commerce websites, and that range and pricing. So just give us a call, because what we'd like to do is just sit down and talk to you about a strategy of the type of services that we would like to take you and your company, and also what you immediately have as a need. So
that's right, absolutely. So give us a call. You can reach us throughout the week at 877-SEO for web, or locally 317-882-8500. We'll happily take your call, talk to you a little bit on the phone, possibly go over and have a sit down with you and understand where you are in the marketplace. Right. Part of actually search engine strategy is understanding keywords, and we want to tip a hat to Marketing Tech Blog for a great blog entry here over the last week about keyword research. You need to get into understanding that it's not just about what you think your customers are typing in. You need to do research. There's one thing to say, I think my customers would be typing in these different groups of phrases, and you may, like I said before, you may even have a CEO that says, hey, I want to be known for this. Mm-hmm. Well, we don't know if that phrase has any value. We don't know whether or not even the package of phrases that you've come up with in your brainstorming session with your sales agents have any value. You have to vet that out from the marketplace. And there are tools now. 5-10 years ago, there weren't these type of tools available, but the data's out there to be able to see what search volume one phrase has as opposed to another phrase over the course of an entire month, right? Yep. There's even tools to even see trends of certain phrases over years from Google, right? Trends.google.com is a great way to be able to see some of those phrases. Understanding what keywords drive traffic and what keywords drive conversion is essential. Consultants often go over large search volumes in keywords, but they don't do the diligence in understanding the market of the client. And that's essentially it. It kind of dovetails what we were just talking about previously with SEO companies. The SEO agency needs to get in and acclimated to a client's industry and know not only what phrases people are typing in, but also what players are in the competitive ranks, right? Yep. What keywords do you currently rank for? Understanding your inventory gives you opportunity to get those individual pages to even rank higher. Yeah, it's a baseline. We always do whenever we start up with a project is, okay, where are you currently performing, right? Because one of the things that always bugged me is that all of a sudden, a consultant gets a whole list of ranks. Look where you are. But they're not saying where they were. I mean, they're really taking credit for some stuff that the site was already performing at. And we absolutely don't do that. The first thing out of the gate is give a baseline before we do any work, be able to see where you are ranking on these key phrases. More importantly, also not to actually drop in those ranks as we start changing different pieces of the website. We got to pay attention to what's already an asset for the company. Categorization that also means that other pages beyond the home page are also ranking. We want to pay attention to that as well. Categorization of keyword topics. Do you know the groupings of keywords or channels? Do you have landing pages in the site structure that can capitalize on the group? So if you have service A, service B, service C, And there are going to be a lot of permutations of phrases about a particular service. Do you have content that can reflect that so you can actually funnel traffic to those particular pages, right?
Yep.
Site strategists can actually give these reports and research. We do it daily. So give us a call, 877 SEO for Web, and sit down with us. And we can certainly talk through a number of different things. Some SEO methods. I wanted to change the topic real quick. Some SEO methods that you need to stop immediately. This post-penguin environment where there's been a lot of web spam, a lot of things that have been done to previously that were working fine for your website.
Listen up.
Yeah, exactly. This is the money right here. Stop article submissions. Stop going in and posting up your article to get spun into a network on different websites to get a link back over to your website. Stop it right now. Don't do it again, okay? Press releases without news. If you send out a press release, don't send a press release just for the sheer fact of doing a press release. Send out a press release that's laudable, good, substantial news item that's in your company. Just because you exist as a company doesn't mean that you send out a press release to actually confirm that you exist. We just did a press release on Friday. We had 18,000 views on that. That was fantastic. But it was a valuable piece of news. It was a great accolade that our client got. And those are the type of things that you need to get out there and shout about. Okay, reciprocal linking. We were talking about linking before, and you may or may not have done any type of linking, but here's the deal. If two sites link to each other, okay, it looks like it's manufactured. If you have any links that you're sharing with to try to actually get more popularity in search, stop it. Break the link, okay? Reciprocal linking and link exchanges are not valuable anymore. One-way linking is the key, and it's a more difficult thing to do. One-way linking coming into your website. So if you have put together an entire strategy of shared links, if you've got an entire link page that was built years ago just to have that type of connectivity, right? Get rid of it. Creating thin content, creating pages without any good user substance, or if you're actually hiring somebody that actually has good content or writing content on a regular basis for you, got to vet that content out, that it's not also repurposed from another website, but it's also pertinent for your entire site.
Yeah, you don't want to create a couple pages and just have a few sentences on each page.
No, not really. You need to focus on ranks, okay? Focus on ranks, but also focus on traffic that's coming into your website. And lastly, don't ignore your design. You must focus on graphic design. That's been one of the key factors here for the longest time. Got one cool tool to check out. Check out SEObook.com. They have a keyword suggesting tool. They have got link suggestion tools, spider tests, page comparisons. You have been listening to Edge of the Web Radio, News Talk 1430 WXNT. Guess what? The news of the day, we're going to be doing this show every week from here on in. I just want to let you guys know that, woo, the cheers go up. Wait a minute, John, you're not cheering. Check us back every Saturday. We're going to be doing the same thing and talking more about your internet marketing success.
SiteStrategics.com.
See you real soon. Bye-bye.